Hey guys, welcome back. So are you tired of Cash App capping how much you can send or receive? Today I'm showing you how to turn off these limits or at least max them out in 2025. It's all about verification and I've got the steps to free up your cash flow. So first grab your phone and open the Cash App, tap your profile icon, top right corner on the home screen, scroll down to limits under account and settings. It'll show your current caps like $1,000 sending and receiving over 30 days if you're unverified. That's what we're busting today. Hit increase limits and get started. So step number 2, verify yourself. Cash App needs your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Punch those in when prompted. Sometimes they'll ask for more, like a driver's license pic, snap it, clear, and upload. I did this and it took me 5 minutes tops. Once approved, your limits jump up to $10,000 sending weekly and unlimited receiving. And that's basically it, guys. You can also just confirm if it works. Back in limits, you'll see the updates. No more $1,000 cap if you're verified. And that's how you turn off the Cash App limits. Very easy, guys. Also, pro tip, keep your SSN safe. Do not share it outside the app. Limits gone. Drop your win below. Like and subscribe. See you next time.